guys. I just want to share something with you guys very quickly, something that I found very cool. I know that some of us like to personalize our things, and when I saw this, I was in love with it. So this is for your Google Classroom. It's your Google Classroom header. Now, I'm going to share this with you. Just make sure through Google Drive, just make sure that when you receive it, you make a copy. You're going to go to File, make a copy, and then you name it whatever you want right here, and then you save it. So that way, we leave the original alone and you can work on your own. So let me go ahead and delete this. That way we can have a clear one. So right here, the very first thing we can do, if you right click on it and go to background, you can change the color to whatever you want. You can have it solid or change it to gradient, and you can see the difference right there. As you know, my favorite color is pink, so I'm going to use that one. Now over here on top, as you can see, I have a Bitmoji extension. If you don't have it, I suggest you get it. You just go to Google and Google Bitmoji extension and then download it. This saves me so much time. I just look for whatever I want here and then drag and drop. Okay. Worth mentioning, I also downloaded the Clever extension right here. So whenever I want to go to Clever, I just click on there and it takes me directly to it. Anyways, back to this. So now that you have the banner all clean and clear, that you have chosen your color, then let's say I'm going to insert. You can insert images from your computer, from the web. You can insert text. So I'm going to add, let's say, read, learn, know. I don't know, whatever quote, your favorite saying, or you can even just write, let me change it. Welcome to our class. I want to center that in the box. I'm going to do that. Now we have that. I'm going to my Bitmoji extension and I'm going to add this one. I like this one. So I'm going to grab it and just drop it in my banner. Here I can modify it however I want. But I'm going to put it on this side because if you remember, in Google Classroom we have our information over here, so we really don't need much over here. This is where it would make a greater impact. So let's say I have that. Here I can change my font. How about that one? Okay. So let me see. I want another little Bitmoji, something that, how about this one? So I'll put that one there. I'm going to make it smaller and put it right here. Okay, now that I'm ready, I'm going to go to File, Download, PNG image, and it's going to be right here on the bottom of my screen. Let me open this a little bit because I don't think you can see it. Okay, right there. See, it's right here. So now that I have that downloaded, I'm going to go to my Google Classroom. I'm going to change my theme here. I'm going to upload photo. Notice how I just downloaded the one I made. I'm going to drag and drop. Right here, I'm just going to fix it to make it fit. Let me see it right there. Just click anywhere on the side. I'm going to make it a little bit this way. Select as my theme. And there you go. Again, this was very basic, but you can do it however you want in case you wanted to personalize it. Like I said, you can add a picture, add whatever you want to it. This will be your end product. So let me know if you have any questions. Hope you like it. I really liked this little tool. But we'll talk to you later. Have a good night.